King. So welcome back for part 2 of the spring cleaning in my kitchen. So this part here was what we're going to be doing: the refrigerator, the pantry, and the dishwasher, because I did not clean the dishwasher, but I use it. We don't use it anyway, but I'm going to clean it so it still just to have a fresh smell and everything like that. So but the outcome of how the kitchen feel right now and everything that I did yesterday, it is nice. It's nice. So I'm not gonna hold you guys up. So if you guys enjoyed part 1, I'm quite sure you guys gonna enjoy part 2. So with that being said, let's go. All right, so as you all can see, for to save some time and everything, I have already decluttered the bottom. I have not done nothing to the top. If you guys previously remember how the refrigerator looked on the first clip and everything, but like I said, I took everything out that was in here, so therefore that can save me some time of well as editing and everything else. But we're gonna jump into going ahead and clean the kitchen with what we're gonna clean it with, this stuff here, the Dawn power wash and some Lysol, and I'm gonna use paper towel to dry it off and use rag to clean it. So let's go ahead and get started.
Don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love.
Okay, so for the freezer, I don't know that I mentioned or not said it in the video. I'm not gonna do nothing to the freezer because pretty much stuff is what it's gonna be. It is what it is for that there. But the bottom need a little bit more readjusting. For some reason, I think I put this top shelf here down a little too one layer down than it usually be. So that's why the juice and everything up there now instead of being down there in the turntable and all that stuff down there. But it's all clean now, so that was the whole purpose and point of this portion of the video. So now I'm gonna move on to the dishwasher. Let that, because we don't use this, but I'm still just gonna spray. I'm just gonna spray some soap and stuff in there, and I'm just let the dishwasher do what it does. Because like I said, we don't even use this at all. We don't put nothing in it because when we was living in the 4-bedroom, it just like it was a buildup of, you know, with the water dripping and stuff. It was just not draining properly or none of that, and then you get that little foul odor and stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I probably just wipe the doors and stuff down though, but I'm gonna let it run a hard cycle and stuff like that, and I'm gonna be done with it.
It was all a big mistake, never meant to miss the date. I was caught up with my friends, I forgot that we had plans. So the roses on the floor and found the champagne by the door. All my favorite things, they were there except for you. You were gone. but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really.
Okay, y'all, so all that came out of that little bit of pantry. Child, I don't know how I'm gonna organize this stuff in here today. I really don't know. I want to, you know, the cereal thing that I got, I want to put it in here so bad. Like, I want to put it on one of these shelves, but I need every storage piece, a scrimp, a lever, a layer, just to organize. Because I want to take the cereal thing off the counter. I don't know. But I need every inch of this storage space. So, but yeah, so we're gonna try to rearrange this stuff a little bit better than what it was. But you see, it was pretty much just thrown up in there, but that's more because I had just went to the grocery store that Wednesday. I went to the grocery store Wednesday, which I didn't do a grocery haul because I had just like recently did one. But yeah, so I done swept and everything. Yeah, hear the dryer going, child. I mean, the dryer, the washer going. Girl, what the thing called dishwasher going. So now we're gonna just go ahead, like I said, do this.
Your phone called you like 1,000 times. You saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice. Baby, I apologize. So pick up your line. Every text I sent was read, so I know that you ain't dead. If you just let me explain, we can minimize the pain. So you're posting on the gram. I even tried to call your fam. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone.
Yep, I still got candy canes. Use them for my tea or hot chocolate or something. But I still use them. All right, Queen of the Keys. So the pantry is done. Look, way time better than what it was before. So up here, I have pretty much flour, seasoned pasta, all that type of stuff. All the extras are in the back. So pretty much stuff still in the same area, except I think these 2 rows, or maybe not, because I think all this was bunched up on together on a row. But if not, this here is more of my condiments, extra condiments that I don't have no room for up in the cabinets and anything like that. So seasoned, mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, syrup, cake topping, salt, you know, all those type of things. Down here is pretty much all the canned goods that I do have now, and this pretty much is the snack area. Going down here is the snack area, but here is more of like noodles. You see anything that I pretty much cook on the stove, stuff like that, and bread. And this is the snack area for the kids and I. And down here is juice and cooking oil and potatoes and extra little plates that we can actually use that can go thrown away. So, but yeah.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, Yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, I can really start over. Yeah, in the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure. Yeah, I can finally start over. Yeah, to all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. All my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Oh, bye-bye, bye-bye. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell goodbye. U-G-L-I, you'll never see me cry. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell it. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.
All right, queens and kings, so I am done with my kitchen. It's all clean and fresh. Only thing that I didn't do was put the mat down here on the floor because I actually did not wash those yet, so those need to be clean, or I'm just gonna find a full runner that I can actually put there. But I love the way that the stuff is pretty much organized now in the kitchen. You guys know that I did the pantry all cute and stuff. We did the stove, we did the flooring, we did everything in here, even the dishwasher. You see, we styled the breakfast bar area here, which I love the way that this look. Just so glamorous, so pretty, so modern glam to me. I got my pumpkins in the kitchen with this big old canvas here. Just pull your eye over here. Now, when I get ready to do like a update apartment tour, I doubt if that canvas be there, so don't worry about it. But yeah, I doubt if anything beat up. But I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this spring clean with me. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will talk to you queens and kings pretty much in the next video. Bye bye.